What's up guys, it's Chris with the GT Supercharged channel. I'm back and today we're going to fix some damage to the vinyl stripes that I caused myself with a pressure washer. Something to be really careful about if you have vinyl stripes yourself. Something I didn't realize is if the pressure is a little bit too high, which in my case it was just a little bit too high. I had the highest powered nozzle on actually. It does, or it can, screw up your stripes. So check this out, this is what happened. And I actually had patched it here, but we're going to take that off. So you can see the damage, just like that, came right off. And on the back, we've got to replace this blue one here too. You can see that damage. Yeah, pretty ugly. So I've had the stripes for about, say, 2 years. So I'm not quite surprised, but you know, it is a lot of maintenance for you to do if you think you just put them on and forget about it forever. So let's get this fixed. All right, so I managed to get the stripe off there. That took way too long, and I just used my fingernails and a razor blade. So probably not the best thing to do. I'm sure some Goo Gone would have helped, but unfortunately I left mine at work, and I figured I just want to get this done. So check out what it looks like. I don't know, maybe I should take all those stripes off. What do you guys think? Sound off in the comments below. I'm going to go ahead and put the stripe back on now, so check it out. Well, going on's pretty easy actually. I just lined it up, put some water on, moved it around, and it went right on. It was very, very easy. I thought it was going to be a lot trickier, but check it out, guys. Alright guys, so thanks for watching tonight. Tomorrow I'm going to make another video and I'm going to do the blue stripe in the rear, and hopefully that will go just as smooth. However, peeling this one off was kind of a total pain in the ass, but we'll see what happens. Be sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned tomorrow, and I'll see you next video.